What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today I'll be doing another update on ticker symbol CEI, which is Camber Energy. Today we saw another run up all the way to $1.98, but from there we retraced back under. We were hoping to catch $2, but if you watched yesterday's video that I did on CEI, I did expect for CEI to reach a threshold of around 197, which in turn it did. That was my price target. So today I'll be doing a quick analysis of what happened and also what can we expect for tomorrow's open, even after today's massive run up and slightly sell off. What are some levels that you should be paying attention, and also is CEI a good play still at its current levels? So all that and more in this video. But before we get this video started, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. I upload videos just like this almost every single day involving the crypto, stock market, anything that will make us financially free in the future. I'll discuss about it in this channel. So if you feel you might be interested, subscribe to the channel and join the family. And with that being said, let's get this video started. Alright guys, we are on WEBULL currently checking out CEI. We saw that we closed today at around $1.24. It is down 3.13%, but what's crazy about it is that in after hours currently we are up 13.7%. Currently after hours is trading right at $1.41, and honestly the momentum, it is still there. Obviously, we didn't get that massive run up to past $2 like we were hoping for today. But like I said, if you did watch my video from yesterday, I had a price target right around $1.97 where I wanted to sell my CEI. But this is why I always try to tell everyone out there that is trading to always follow your rules, because it happened to me yet again. I always try to tend to bend rules. I have in my notebook a set of rules that I always follow when I'm trading, and today I did not follow those rules. I saw CEI reach the level of $1.97. I saw the momentum was still there. I saw the volume, but obviously we don't know when the top is at. But I should react to my gut feeling, and my gut feeling was telling me to sell $1.97, which was my price target. But I ended up waiting to see if we were going to crack the $2 mark, and from there we started to see a little sell-off all the way down towards this level of close to $1. So literally an 80-cent drop just like that is how volatile a penny stock is like this, especially like CEI. But before we go further on and kind of explain more of what's going on with CEI, let me explain to you what's all these lines on my graph, because I know everyone trades differently. Everyone looks at different support lines, different ways to kind of trade. But this is the way I look at all my graphs, all my stocks, and my cryptos. So these yellow lines that are drawn horizontal, these are my resistance support lines, and these were drawn from 6 months ago when we had that other massive run to $4.85 on CEI. So these lines are still in play. Now we see these blue lines that are drawn horizontally. These are the Fibonacci extension lines, which yesterday I was predicting that CEI was going to hit a price target of $1.97 because I was hoping to reach this Fibonacci key level of 261.8%, which it did. It touched it but got rejected down. So if you did end up selling around $1.97, $1.98, congrats, you sold at the top. But is CEI over? In my opinion, no. I think we're barely getting started. So also another thing I want to point out is I also have three exponential moving averages lines, which is this bright yellow. This bright yellow is the 200 exponential moving average. This red line is the 48 exponential moving average, and the blue line you see here is the 13 EMA. So this is another tool I use just to kind of gauge short term if I'm looking at 15-minute, 10-minute, or an hour. And so far, we are on the 15-minute graph on CEI, and we can see that the graph is still hovering above the 200 EMA, meaning it's still in a bullish trend. And then also we are starting to see the 1348, well, the 13 EMA line about to cross the 48 EMA line, which the graph alone has already crossed over the 48 EMA, which indicates another bullish trend toward the upside. Honestly, this is just giving me more and more signs. The way I'm trading CEI, like I said, I'm not holding. That's one of my mistakes I did 6 months ago. I back hold this all the way down to like 30 cents. I did make money, but I also ended up losing money. So now I'm kind of playing it more like I'm buying low, trying to sell high. That's the plan. But my game plan is, since my account currently isn't at $25,000 where you could day trade without any limits, I don't, I only have what, 3 or 4 trades during a 5-day trading period, right? And I already used 3 of those, so I can't day trade anymore. But the way I'm playing CEI now is, for example, I sold today right at $1.70. Like I said, I wished I would have sold at $1.97 and kept to my word of hitting that price target, so $1.97. But I still ended up profiting a good amount. Keep in mind, I bought in right at $1, about $1.40, so give or take 30-cent profit per share. And I believe I had like 2,000 shares, so that was still pretty sizable gain right there. But going forward, the way I'm doing, since I already did 3 day trades, is I'm buying my shares during the extended hours of today. So today we saw a pullback all the way down to, like I said, $1.01. And I've been kind of dollar cost averaging in, because since the stock is super volatile, we can see it jump 5, 10, 15 cents just like that in the blink of an eye. So I've been literally buying 100 shares here, every 15-20 minutes. And then currently, like the past hour, is when I bought another 1,000 shares of CEI right at $1.24, $1.25. So my total cost average for CEI is right around 123 per share, which in my opinion is pretty good, because I still see lots of improvement, lots of room for CEI to run, especially tomorrow. And the way I've been seeing is, pre-market, we have seen a little run up towards the upside, and right in the morning is when we usually see that massive run up right before lunchtime. So the way I'm gonna be playing it is, I'm gonna expect for CEI to currently try to break this resistance line of this Fibonacci extension of 161.8%, which is a price target of 143. If we do end up breaking above this during extended hours, which we have about an hour and a half left, if we do end up breaking that, and during tomorrow's pre-market hours, we're hovering underneath this resistance lines of 152, and we end up breaking that before market opens, I do expect CEI, for example, if we have the same amount of volume we did today and yesterday, I do see CEI again trying to contest this resistance of $1.86 to inevitably go back to that Fibonacci level of 261.8%, which is a price target of $1.96, $1.97, give or take. So my game plan going forward, I'm obviously not trying to tell you to buy in this level, trying to sell this level, since I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take my advice, but this is the way I'm trading CEI. My price target, I'm gonna stick to my price target, is to sell right at $1.90 at a minimum, and from there wait to see what happens. If we see another retracement, which we do have supply right at $1.72, $1.74, around that area, if we do see a retracement from $1.72, is because it got supply and is going to end up retracing back to this support line of 152. So keynotes to look out for tomorrow's CEI trade is, if we break out of 152 before pre-market, and before lunchtime if we break out of 185. I do see CEI yet again trying to contest that $2 mark. Fingers crossed, we do end up breaking the $2 marks. And if anything else changes, I'll keep you guys informed. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you all next time. Peace.